Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Wednesday joined officials and staff of the Meghalaya State Secretariat and Additional Secretariat in a pre-Christmas celebration held over a common meal, marking what he described as the first time such a collective celebration had been organized. The program was attended by Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture Department Frederick R. Kharkongor, along with other senior state government officials. The gathering brought together officers and staff from across the departments, reflecting the spirit of Christmas through fellowship and unity. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said the celebration was organized to bring the entire Secretariat together and to acknowledge the dedication and hard work of officials and staff who keep the administrative system functioning smoothly.
Wonderful to be here today. As you're all aware that in about a week's time we'll be celebrating Christmas, and Chief Secretary and other officials and all of us thought it's very appropriate that we all have one afternoon where we all celebrate together in the Secretariat and Additional Secretariat. I'm told it's not happened before, so it's a great thing, it's a great beginning, and really it's a great way to also end the calendar year in this positive note. And therefore I, on behalf of all our senior officials as well as my cabinet, I would like to wish all of you a very, very Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. Thank you so much.